Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got another little haul from Fansells for you. So, as always, I've tried to get slightly different things that we haven't maybe seen before. Let's start with this one. A little bit squashed, so I'm hoping that it's going to be all right, but yeah, we'll see. Fingers crossed. So we've got standard kit with a few baggies. Looks like everything is unscathed, so that is good. Right, so what we've got here is we've got some plasticky Perspex butterflies that we can drill. They have got the plastic coating to cover the poured glue. We've got 2 sticks, and then in here we've got our drills. Which I can't get into. Looks like just numeric symbols on here, going up to 10. I don't know if we haven't got 10 colours though, I think. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we do. So these are our different drills. Got obviously lots of blue and purple and aqua coloured. Oh, I like that one. So what we don't get, yeah, there's no information. See, I'll show you the little picture of, so these are designed to decorate plant pots. Oh, yeah, anything stick in the soil. What we don't get with this is any way to fix this to this, which is a bit of a shame. Yeah, I'm not sure how I would go about doing that. We'll have to investigate, but suffice to say that's the idea. What could be interesting actually, oh, one is slightly smaller than the other. I haven't even looked at that. Have a rummage. So, if you remember in the video where I opened the pin badges, they came with these sticky backed pins. I'm wondering whether you could adapt these and have them as, I mean, they would be large statement brooches, but that might be nice. Particularly as, you know, as they're not already attached to the stick. That could be interesting. I will, yeah, I'll let you know. So yeah, shame about the box being a bit battered, but didn't actually affect the item. And yeah, just a little bit confusing that there's no instructions at all as to how to fix the two things together. Yeah, I'll look into that. So let's do this one next. Not really much of a mystery here. I chose this, oh, valve, sorry, bear with. Okay. I had to choose this because it is a section of the very first diamond painting that I ever did. That if you saw my year in review, then it's the first one on there. So I will pop a little picture up in the corner so you can see it. But yeah, this cat is definitely, if not taken specifically from that painting, then by the same artist. And I just thought, you know, I saw it and thought, got to have it. The box is like a pleather kind of material. Let's see, how does it open? Ah, there we go. So it's magnetic, and it's this whole front that goes back, and then we've got our gems, standard kit, a few little baggies. Ooh, we've got some specials in here as well. Let's get in and have a look. So obviously, you know, it's not the most detailed picture, so we're not going to have tons and tons. We've got a blue, a pink, and a pinky red rhinestone. We've got some amethyst tone teardrops. We've got, oh my goodness, these are tiny, 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 tiny little teardrop shape. Clear crystal. And then these are the kind of AB coated, and these are number 1. So where you see the number 1 on here, that's where these ones are going to go. The purple teardrops will go into the ears. Those tiny teardrop shapes are for the feet, and then the stripes will be made out of everything else. It's lovely. I'm going to check it for size. Let me just grab a pair of my glasses and we will see. If you don't wear glasses but you still like stuff like this, there's no reason why you couldn't use it. For instance, storing your favourite diamond painting pens. Oh, and she's back in the room. Sorry, that was a delivery of a diamond painting, but we'll save that for another day. So yeah, you could definitely use this for storing diamond painting pens. Even, yeah, you know, regular pens would fit in there. You'd get a few in there. That's probably my longest diamond painting pen. It's not going to fit, but the other ones definitely will. As for my glasses, they fit quite comfortably. So, yeah, no problem there at all. Nice. Happy with that. That is not going to take very long at all, but it will be a lovely, relaxing little craft. And you get that, I like these small items because you get that kind of buzz of completion. Without having to have spent days and days working on something. So I'm just going to pop all those diamonds back inside here to keep them safe. That is a very good storage idea. Let's put them in there. Right, and move on to our last item.
Hello my crafty coven, this is Editing Ari here. Just popping in to say that since recording this unboxing, my channel has tipped over the 250 subscriber mark, and I am so grateful to every single one of you. In fact, as the time I'm recording this voiceover, I am at 261, which is fabulous. Thank you so much. But that means it's time for another subscriber giveaway. So if you are listening to this, I would like you to comment below with a purple heart, and everyone that does that will be entered into a giveaway draw in 2 weeks' time. So the day today is the 12th of October, and in 2 weeks from today I will be announcing the winner of a little haul of goodies. More on that in the reveal video. So enjoy the rest of the unboxing. thank you once again from the bottom of my witchy little heart for following me on my crafty journey and supporting this channel.
So, can I remember what this is? No. Let's see. Oh, we've got a very stiff canvas. Right. I'm not sure about this. Oh no. I knew I was kind of chancing it, but I'd missed out on a black cat with candlelight from Diamond Art Club. They were out of stock and I was sad. So I ordered this one, which is not the same image. This is a stock image from a jigsaw puzzle website, as far as I'm aware. So to my knowledge, not an issue with copyright. However, I'm not sure that it's going to render very well. Obviously it's difficult to tell without the diamonds in place, but yeah, a black cat on a black background is always going to be difficult. But we'll see. Let's measure it anyway. Yeah, and it's a very stiff canvas. So we've got 40 by 50 is what it's listed as, and it is 35 by 45. Let's have a little look. Yeah, 35 by 45 exactly. It is 24 colours, which I think might be where the problem comes. I just don't think that that is enough colours, and so we're not going to get that definition between the background and the cat, which is a shame. I will pop this one to one side and we'll see. Let's have a look at the drills anyway, see how that goes. There is obviously a lot of black. Where's the pink going? It's far more, I see. I'm assuming into the crystal ball, maybe. T and Y, yeah, it's going to be the shine on the crystal ball. That's where the pink goes. It's very confusing. So, have a quick whiz through these. Again, we've got no DMC on the packets, but we do have DMC. Yeah, we do have DMC on the canvas. So you just have to match it up that way. Oh, that's a nice colour. That's sort of mauvey brown. Okay. I guess that's 310. Number 2. Number 2 is not 310, is it? Yeah, it's here. 310. It's such a shame because I think with more colours we probably could have. The size I don't think is the problem. I think it's the number of colours, because it's a fairly good size for a painting with that level of detail. I mean, I was not expecting to be able to read the book titles. I always figured that that would just be sort of a rough indication, but I was expecting a little bit more differentiation between the cat and the background. I don't know, maybe. It is what Rambling Rose would call new style. So things like the cat's whiskers, which you can just make out, are printed on the canvas, but not they're not going to be using the drills to make those thin lines, and that will just show in the gaps between the round drills. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed, but not the end of the world. I have got 2 fab items from this little haul, and certainly that one's not the worst I've ever had. Okay, so those are my 3 Fansells items for today. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope that you will consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.